Hi, I'm Kathleen. I'm going to give you a video tutorial about the material that can be found in the profile section of this Moodle website. So I'm here in week 1, and of course, most people might start at overview here. So might start from there, or some other place in the menu here, but for my purposes, I'm going to start in week 1, which is where this task is located. So the profile itself can be found up here. Some people can create a photo, or there's a default icon that could also be used. So if we open the profile window, we can see a number of items. The main part we'll look at is this, but I actually think the accessibility is kind of fun and interesting as well. So we find out that the default font is a dyslexic font, which is nice to know. And for people that need different colors, different sizes, different backgrounds, and so forth, you can actually change that on your screen as well, so that you have these items of changing the font size, the color size, and showing some contrast here. So I'm just going to leave that up for this tutorial. I'm not going to mess around with it though too much, but at least now we know what it is. So if we go into profile, this gives us the entire features of, as most people have already access to profile somewhere else, but these are the specifics that have to do with this Moodle website. And interestingly enough, I didn't realize I was signed up for another course, and I think I accidentally signed up when I was showing a colleague how to sign up for it. So this is the course that I'm taking, and I just want to mention also that the video I'm creating right now is with the use of the plugin for Chrome called Screencastify. So this is the course that I'm taking. A lot of these items I'm not sure that I would want to refer to. Like, I don't know if I would need to know when my last access to the site was, but or the first access, I think it's more for people that are looking in on my progress maybe, or for the total data collection, whether it's for me or for some other purpose. So in here, of course, you can edit your profile. And change information about where you are. And apparently my video wasn't happy in this particular setting, so I'll have to change that if I want to have something more interesting than a black box. And you can change your pictures, of course, and mention your nicknames and other things about you if you want to. If I was more involved in this website, which of course is very appealing to me, I probably would add more information about myself and create some links and so forth. So I'm just going to go back to profile because I don't need to edit anything at this moment. I guess it's once I'm in edit mode, of course, it's going to be very careful make sure I want to leave when I want without anything changing or staying the same however I want it to be. So apparently whatever I loaded isn't compatible, and I'll have to go and check that. There's not much to see within my profile. I can leave myself notes. If I've completed a session or a course, I'll have certificates. This I actually have done. So if I want to go back and see what I've done in total, all in one place, this is the place that I would look for it. And of course, I would wanting to do something about it, like delete, or if someone creates a reply to something of mine, either a comment or a post, then this would be a place to go and do that without looking for the individual post or person. I could just go into my posts. For this particular course, the grades are just credit or no credit, and there's nothing documented right now in this section under reports. But for something that's more finely tuned, of course, these kinds of things would be useful to have access to and learn about, for that matter. So there's other places to access calendar, but here's one place. And then a place to put files that I have access to, but I don't have to post for other people to see. And of course, there's a limit. Everything that's free has limits. And this item of preferences is similar to other kinds of preferences that you might find on other websites. For example, the preferred language and particular things that are specific to you. And I don't have any badges in this particular website. I can transfer badges from other places using this particular link. So thanks for your kind attention, and welcome your comments.